Okay, I'm Frank, trying this again. This is about cloud storage. The way I use cloud storage, it's for the basic tools badge. I do use OneDrive for PC. I do PC at work, and sometimes if I have a gaming machine, but normally for work, at home, school, and other projects, I use Mac. I have two of them, so I sync a lot using iCloud between a MacBook and a Mac Mini. It's built into the system, so typically I just do that within using Finder. But there's an application for Windows machines, and also you can go through the web to do it. But since I usually do it within the Mac OS, I'm going to just show you how I do it here. I start by going to the Go menu, click on iCloud Drive. And then it shows you the entire drive. You can also go to downloads. I have started to organize that some, but most of my organization I've done for this project so far has been in the documents folder. So I have put some of my old schools in here, my two jobs, and personal so far. I'll probably create more of these. And then within that, like for example, within the Purdue folder, I have different subfolders. These are the two classes I'm taking right now and different badge project, things like that. If I go into this one, for example, I have the different documents, for example, revisions for a recent project I'm doing, and other little projects that we've done. Now, if I wanted to create a new folder, say, if I just want like a new like main folder I can just click on desktops or downloads or whatever category, and then click on File, New Folder, and then I'll do one for NEI University. It's another school I went to a long time ago, and then that would just be right there. And then if you wanted to do a subfolder, let me say like this one, for example, Cambridge, you could do New Folder, blah blah blah, and that would create a subfolder in there. So basically the same method. Now creating a new document, because it's inside of the OS sort of, it's basically just as easy as saving to like your drive. So if I were to just create a new document in Word, for example, this is a test, and then go to save this, so it would just be File, Save As. It would come up with this same menu. There are all my, folders I've created, and I could just save it into one of those. Now, let's say I wanted to, let me get rid of this. If I wanted to share one, then the way I would do that is go back into iCloud Drive. Share it. You can share folders or documents. Let me just grab a document real quick here. Let's say I wanted to share this one. You would right click and then go to share, and this is my family group. They're automatically in there, and I think if you were to have shared something previously, they would also be here. If not, you have the option to airdrop, send it by messages, or other ways. I would choose messages, sorry, and then let me shrink this down so you can see it. And then I would just simply choose the recipient or add a new recipient and just send this to them. And then that would share the document with them. I think that covers it. And thanks for watching.